So we just got radio from one of our customer, and he got installed at our competitors that offer a little bit cheaper price. But I want to put your attention on the quality. First of all, that's the reverse camera that they install, and it's a bright day today, and you just can't see anything. You just can't see anything on this back camera, because probably the back camera is very cheap and it's like 10 years old. It's very bad quality. So the radio as well, first of all, it's all the time loads. It don't have quick boot, so you have to wait every time you turn on the car. You have to wait 3 minutes till the Android loads. And another thing is extremely slow. You just like you cannot use it like properly. I show you on the, for example, here's the radio. The radio has no RDS, so you can't see the station's name, and that probably means that the chipset for the radio is very bad, so you won't be able to listen to any radio stations. But once again, the brightness of the screen is not IPS. It's super bad. Super bad. Okay, let's try, I don't know, let's try some GPS. Probably the performance of GPS will be very slow as well. Let me try how it's going. So I just was able to connect the Bluetooth, sorry, the hotspot. Let's have a look how the navigation gonna work. Probably it will be super slow, cause like I know those radios, like they used to be popular like 7 years ago. So it's still super slow. You just it's unusable. Like you cannot use it. Like it's just super slow. It shouldn't be like this. Okay, like unusable probably. Doesn't matter how long I wait. It's just, I don't know why there are so many favorites places. So it's super slow, unusable. Let's try how the YouTube's gonna work on this device. So it's like my warning to everyone who wanna buy cheap from the strange guy on a Facebook with no warranty, with no nothing. Just really, it's too slow. Don't do it. Make sure you can get refund, because like those Chinese radios, they can look the same, but the specs and what kind of parts is using can be dramatically different, and it can be like, you know, like the phone that you buy now for €1,000 and the phone from 15 years ago, the one of the first smartphones. It will be super slow and unusable. So let's try to play some video. Super slow. And once again, the screen is not like, it's not the angle of the phone, it's just the screen. It's not even IPS, like you can't see anything on that screen.